Also have a look at what the European markets and the latest coming in from that market we are getting to understand. And European markets are reacting to the latest decision from the European Central Bank, which has held the interest rate steady as inflation in the Eurozone continues to cool. Wherein the headline inflation fell to 1.7% in January, its lowest level since September, and now below the ECB's 2% target. Now, the core inflation is to 2.2%. The ECB says inflation remains on track to stabilize at target over the medium term, even as the global trade tensions and geopolitical risk continues to cloud the outlook. Now, President of European Central Bank Christine Lagarde spoke about what led to the inflation downfall. Listen in.
Market rates have come down since our last meeting, while global trade and geopolitical tensions temporarily increased financial market volatility. Bank lending rates for firms ticked up to 3.6% in December from 3.5% in November, as did the cost of issuing market-based debt. The average interest rate on new mortgages again held steady at 3.3% in December. Bank lending to firms grew by 3% on a yearly basis in December, after 3.1% in November and 2.9% in October. Looking now at inflation. Inflation declined to 1.7% in January from 2% in December and 2.1% in November. Energy inflation dropped to minus 4.1% after minus 1.9% in December and 0.5% in November. While food price inflation increased to 2.7% from 2.5% in December and 2.4% in November. Inflation excluding energy and food eased to 2.2% after 2.3% in December and 2.4% in November. Goods inflation edged up to 0.4%, whereas services inflation declined to 3.2% from 3.4% in December and 3.5% in November. Indicators of underlying inflation have changed little over recent months and remain consistent with our 2% medium-term target.